I'm Mia, and this is Jenna Out the Toy Review. Sorry that my baby sister is not participating today. She didn't want to join. But today we're going to be reviewing the Sonic All-Stars Racing Transformed. We already opened it, so it's kind of fell. And let me opened it, and let's talk about Sonic. So I think this is his engine, and his paint job is really good. And you can see his little lights. Vroom vroom. Sadly they can't turn on, and his backlights can't turn on too, but he looks very good. He's also like a wind up. So like if you just wind him back, it moves. So yeah, and then if you go to the bottom, he's just all white, and his wheels is black, orange, and red. Kind of reminds me of Halloween that's coming soon, which I'm really excited about. I don't really know what I'm gonna be for Halloween. And he has the wheel. See, he has the wheel. He can drive anywhere he wants. Go fast, little car. And yeah, and he has this black stuff here. And really, he looks really good. Time to move on to the next thing. So we'll move on to our next thing, which is Shadow Sonic. He has a G right here, and Shadow's car is the same color as Shadow Sonic, and he has fake wheels. His real wheels are right here. Then his lights look real. Well, this doesn't look real, but you can see all the background details. You can see the details. But and Shadow's steering the wheel. It's funny because he goes, like, I watched Sonic X and he goes faster than Sonic with only one Chaos Emerald, and I've been like racing him with Sonic, and Sonic always seems to win. Chaos Control is not gonna help you, Shadow Sonic. No ways it can help. Now, let's move on to the background of this. Oops, wrong way. You can pretend that the race is in Green Hills by taking the background and making the toys there, like them right there. I don't know why, but my toy keeps falling, so I'm gonna hold it there. It's like my toy just wants to fall all the time. So you can use that as like a little background and make them look like they're actually in Green Hills. made out of cardboard, as you can see. But yeah. So, bye-bye. See you